Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the Timetec 64GB DDR4 2400 MHz memory kit. Specifically, this is a 4x16GB kit, so you're getting a total of 64GB of RAM. This kit is designed for desktop PCs and is not compatible with laptops, notebooks, or all-in-one devices. This Timetec kit operates at 2400 MHz with a PC4-19200 rating. It's a non-ECC unbuffered module running at a standard 1.2V and has a CL17 latency. It features a dual-rank 2RX8 configuration with 288 pins, adhering to the UDIM standard. The chips themselves are based on a 1024x8 organization. The kit requires a power supply of VDD equals 1.2V, with an acceptable range of 1.14V to 1.26V, and VDDQ also at 1.2V, within the same 1.14V to 1.26V range. Timetec offers a lifetime warranty from the date of purchase, along with free technical support based in the United States. This is a great reassurance, knowing that you're covered should any issues arise. Now, let's talk about performance. While 2400 MHz might not be the fastest RAM on the market today, it's still a solid option, especially if you're upgrading an older system or building a budget-friendly PC. The 64GB capacity is excellent for multitasking, content creation, and running memory-intensive applications. Gamers who like to have multiple applications running in the background will also benefit from the large capacity. The Timetec RAM represents a good value proposition. You're getting a substantial amount of memory at a competitive price. It's a straightforward upgrade that can breathe new life into an older system or provide a solid foundation for a new build. Keep in mind that this is standard DDR4, so make sure your motherboard supports DDR4 memory and that the speed is compatible. While most motherboards will automatically adjust to the RAM speed, it's always a good idea to check the specifications beforehand. Overall, the Timetec 64GB DDR4 2400 MHz kit is a reliable and affordable option for those looking to increase their system's memory capacity. The lifetime warranty and US-based tech support add extra peace of mind. If you're not chasing the absolute highest speeds and are looking for a cost-effective way to boost your PC's performance, this kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.